What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing as well as installing the Apple Watch band made by Toovern. You can find this product on Amazon. The link will be down below in the description. Now, first thing that I want to say about this is this does come in a very small box, and they do have multiple colors available, and right down here you can actually see we have a sticker indicating that this is a red band. So we did go ahead and actually select a red band. I'm also going to show you how you can select which size you need. They do have the optional sizes, so I will show you when we go to install how to tell which Apple Watch size you have. Anyway, with this getting started, let's go ahead and open up the box here. Okay, right here you can see we have nicely bagged. We can get it out. A little bit tough to get out. There we go. Okay, here is the band itself. And it looks like it opens this way. Okay, so we're just going to slide this through. Just like that. And I'm going to go through just like this. So, these are actually going to be magnetic, which is definitely really cool. And you guys can actually see I'm stretching this, and it's not. There we go. Finally, it's separated. So I got to say that's actually very impressive. I did not expect that to hold nearly as strong as it did. I'm actually already kind of wowed on this one. But anyway, here we go. We can see we've got the two links, which you guys can compare to the watch here. So the longer side is going to go down here, and the shorter side is going to go up towards the top. Now, to replace this, what we're going to do is we're going to actually push this button and slide this out to the side. It's a little bit tricky. This is the Series 3 watch. I've had it for a few years, and I haven't actually taken these off quite a while, or ever. These are actually the original Nike bands that this came with. So, taking a closer look, which we're going to get this to focus in. Right here you can actually see it says 42 millimeter. So this is actually the size right there for which one we have. Now you can see up here it says Series 3, and it's the Nike Plus, but you want to pay attention to right here where it says that it's the 42. So that's how you know exactly which sizes you're going to need for these. So mine is requiring something that would be a 42, so these are 42 to 45, I believe, is what the spec is. Don't quote me on that, I might be wrong. But anyway, going back over to these, you can see right here we've got where we see a silver piece, and on the inside there's a black notch. Now, looking back at these original bands, you can see there is the notch there as well, and just kind of comparing, you can see that the figure of this is bent that way. So we're going to aim the notch to actually be towards the inside where this button is. So this is going to go just like this. Okay, and locked into place it is. So remember, the black notch faces towards the bottom of the watch, and the flat chrome surface goes towards the face. So again, we're going to slide this one in as well, and boom, right into place. A little bit of wiggle. There's definitely a little wiggle room there, but they all have some wiggle. And that is the watch band installed. Now, it feels very, very flimsy and rubbery. Every bit of this does curl up, so there's not like a hard strip of magnet inside of it like some of those like slap bands. That's kind of what I imagined this to be like. I thought it was going to be like a slap watch thing, but it's not. This is fully like wet noodle here. It's just all over the place, which is actually very nice. So now for putting this on, we're going to go ahead and do that. And look at that. Easy. Very, very simple. Not hard at all. And, you know, that's not coming off. I actually really do trust this. Now for removing it, you just simply peel it just like that. And like I said, this is very, oh man, you can see me jerk when that actually finally breaks free. It's very strong. I don't see that actually being anything that comes off at all during any accident. Granted, it's definitely not going to at all be as strong as the solid connection. Well, let's see here actually. Let's test this. So this pulling. Okay, so even this, you know, under the circumstances will still pop out. Do I feel like these are definitely a little bit more, you know, reliable having a, you know, the actual insert? Yes, but you know, honestly, I am actually pretty impressed with this. I myself never would have actually replaced the bands. Like I said, this is a Series 3 and these are still the original. Not something I ever actually considered or even really thought of doing, but I actually really like this. Definitely want to give a huge shout out of appreciation to this company for sending me this. You know, it's not all the time that I actually get a product to review that I actually thoroughly enjoy, and funny enough, I do actually really like this. So you can actually find this for between $21 and $25. Right now I know on Amazon there was actually a coupon code, so you can get it for $21. So that will be linked down below in the description. Again, this one is the red one, but they do also feature other colors. I believe off the top of my head there was black, there's also a navy blue, maybe a white. I don't remember if there's a white one or not, but I do know that there was at least those three colors, and they did have the different sizes. So like I said, guys, check your back to verify which size you actually need, but hit that link down below and get one for yourselves. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like this review, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.
The apocalypse.